Hi, my lovelies. I hope you guys are well and keeping safe. So this is a very, very short video just to let you guys know that right now in Aldi, they have restocked on the Healthy Glow, the 5% glycolic acid with ginseng and aloe vera. I have tried this product. It is amazing. So if you like to look after your skin and if you like to exfoliate, I would say go out and get lots of bottles, because once it runs out, Aldi takes ages to restock. So I bought 10. They did not stop me. They're not rationing on these products. They're only rationing on food. There are other skincare products floating around in Aldi right now. I have not tried the hot cloth. I am looking forward to trying this product. Actually, it does look good and very inviting, but I did not buy it. Maybe at some point I will buy it and try it. It's only $3.99 as well. I love Lacura product. I am using an amazing night cream from them. Their products are not too expensive, but it works. That's what you want. You don't want to spend loads of money on a brand named product. I mean, you can if you have that kind of money to pay, but if you're trying to save money, then it's best to get products that you know that would actually work and you're not going to spend a lot of money on them. There are also the Rose Quartz roller. It's equivalent to the Jade roller, so this is like a cheaper version. I own this and I love it. Okay, I cannot tell you what it actually does, but what it does for me is it calms my face in the morning and it helps remove the puffiness on my face, because I tend to wake up in the morning with really puffy face sometimes. I'm not sure why. So I put this in the fridge, washed and dried, so that I then take it out of the fridge in the morning and roll it all over my face, especially around the puffy areas, around my eyes, and yeah, eventually all over my face. I really enjoy how it feels, and it makes my face less puffy by the time I finish. I like the awake face. I don't like looking tired at all. So this is what it does for me. It doesn't do anything else that I can say is significant. So if you like pampering yourself and that kind of like self-care, you might want to get one. Again, it's not so expensive. So there are lots of skincare products dotted around in Aldi at the moment. I'm not sure why. Maybe because we had Mother's Day and there's Easter coming up as well. But yeah, if you're going in to buy your food, you might want to look around and see what you can get. I love Lacura products. I use an amazing Q10 night cream from them at the moment, and it's so good. Okay, yeah, so do it, and I shall see you again for a proper video. I am working on my podcast. I'm also working at home with my family being at home at the moment, so I'm a little bit busy, but I look forward to seeing you guys again very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and yeah, stay safe please everyone. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.